941 Performance.
Welcome back to 941 Performance. So, as we can see, our table is full of tools and empty boxes. So, balance shaft chain, crank bolt, chain guides, tensioner. This is the oil pump chain that I did not do because I didn't drop the oil pan yet. So, those are not prone to damage per se, or stretching like the cam chain is. So 90% of the time, you can ask a certified Volkswagen tech, they don't change it. So yeah, there's empty box for the timing cover, the lower timing cover. The lower timing cover always has to be replaced because you will bend it when you remove it. The sealant they use is godly. So, yeah, monsters in the trash. Plastic housing water pump. That's the pump. Don't know how old it is. Don't know if it was leaking. So I went with an aluminum one, which is the graph. This is actually the cam chain. And it's not supposed to be in a straight line. You can see right there. It's stretched and broke. So, yeah, oil filter, oil's in it. The problem that I ran into is I didn't record me putting it back together. Part of it was because my dad came down and I wanted to spend time with my dad versus trying to video. But I did get on video the first start, and a little drive around, and then a little check. All right, I got the coils unplugged. I'm gonna crank it over, build a little bit of oil pressure. Let's hope for the best. All right. Neutral. That sounds good. It sounds good. Let's plug her in. All right, let's hope it doesn't blow up. I smell gas. Nope, we're good. I will clear all the faults. We're moving, boys. Oh, yay. Got a lot of rust on the brakes. Bitch is running. We are low on coolant. Don't mind that blinky light, but that's fine. No check engine light. No leaks. That stitch is dry. I did run into some other things that need attention on that car, such as a air conditioner. It blows, but it doesn't blow cold. The cam cap cover, which is part of what has the bearings, it's actually broken in the spot where the PCV valve bolts into, so it's missing a bolt. And then another hole is stripped out because some Yahoo was in there before. I also will have to take the intake manifold back off and probably put a time cert in one of those holes to put the bolt in. It's missing a bolt there. There are a couple oil leaks on the back where the oil feed and return line go for the turbo. And just a couple small things. So you'll see in one of those videos the janky catch can setup that's on there. We're gonna fix that too. 034 Motorsport has a nice PCV valve with two AN fittings to go to a catch can. So I'll get one of those when I get the new cover and then put all that back in. Make some new lines and route it a little bit better so my engine cover actually fits on. But yeah, so garage is empty, ready for a quick cleaning, and the next customer that I may have on Wednesday. I got a basic oil change coming in for one of the neighbors. Probably nothing worthy. It's a newer Hyundai Elantra, so if I run into something weird on it, I'll break out the camera and bring you guys a short video. So this valve right here is a cylinder head oil check valve. It sits on the bottom of the head. You replace it while you're in there. Front crankshaft seal that goes in the timing cover, but the timing cover has one. Don't need it. Yeah. New spark plugs. But it runs good. It's gonna take some bug fixing getting out because the thing hasn't ran in so long. It needs fuel. I'm gonna go fill it up with 93, but in order to do that I have to make the car legal. Yay. So I'll work on that, but we can, in the meantime, we can check it out. I'll give it a wash too because it needs a bath desperately. So yeah, old broken crap, old spark plugs and bolts that I didn't use, into old intake gasket. It's time to clean up, put all my tools away, and move on to the next one. Empty the trash. So we will see you in the next video.